Hello, scholars. So we're still in 9.1. We're in Big Ideas. I need to tell you about these two special right triangles. So the other day we learned about the 6 trigonometric functions that we can use to solve for the sides or the lengths of a triangle. There's two special ones, and I just want to show you where they come from first. The first one comes if you have an equilateral triangle and all the sides are 2. Okay, what we're going to do is take a look at what would happen if we cut it directly in the middle with the perpendicular bisector. Well, that makes this side 1. We've got a leg of 1. We have a hypotenuse of 2. Well, then what would the length of that bisector be? So we use our Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a is 1. B is what we're solving for, because that's the straight up and down line. And then c is 2. So 1 plus b squared equals 4 means that b squared equals 3. If I take the square root of both sides, I get that b is equal to the square root of 3. So right here, it is the square root of 3. And this is your special triangle. So that's where it comes from. Okay, so what I want you to remember and write in your notes is this special triangle. Here's your right angle. This is 60. So if this is 60 and this is 90, that means this is 30, as you know, and it's not writing. This is 1, this is 2, and this side is root of 3. So this is called a 30, 60, 90. Please put this in your notes. 30, 60, 90. You will learn to love it. It is one of the most important things we're going to do. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so the next one that we're going to talk about, if you start with a square, you know all the sides are the same. You know all of the angles are right angles. So in this case, let's talk about the triangle that happens when we cut it directly diagonally. We know that this is 90, right? Let's say this is 1. Let's just say it's a side of 1. Having problems with my pen today, sorry. It doesn't want to draw for me. So if I have a 1, then we know that those other angles, the smaller ones, are going to be 45 degrees each. So this special triangle right here is half of a square. And that is going to be called a 45, 45, 90. Again, please put it in your notes. This is going to be super important. If you'd like to see more of how these special triangles relate, you can look on page 463 in your chapter book. Otherwise, I'll be showing you how to use these ratios to find other lengths and angles. But there are two special ones you need to really learn. Put them on note cards, draw them a lot. We will be continuing on the next one with how to do some actual examples. Okay?